What do you... It's not the bird. That wouldn't even be the right bird. No, that's not the right bird either. Look. As per usual, Isaac's looking at me like I'm an idiot. No comments from the peanut gallery. I don't need that. We got some Finch knives. We're going to take a look at them. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell when we so you'll know when we bring you new products. Yes, I am glitching. You know what? We got a new intro. Let's light it up. Guess what? New product to us. Now, I know a lot of people have had these. We're really excited to have them because we know a lot of people out there have been asking for them, and they're really cool. I own a couple of these myself and really dig them. They've been insanely popular online, and there's a reason for that, and we're going to get into that. So we are your new Finch Knives headquarters. If you're looking for Finch Knives, look no further than right here. Now, we've gotten 4 in so far, and if you follow Finch, you know the Lucky 13 is on the way. So those are going to be here soon. We'll show you those as soon as they come in. But right now, we're going to show you these 4 right here that we got in first. These are available right now. So all you're going to have to do is click the link in the description below, and we're going to show them to you right here, right now. So we've got 4 different ones. We've got the Harvester, which is really cool. And we're going to take a closer look at all of these. We've got the Drifter right here. That one's really neat. We've also got the Cherry Bomb and the Devil's Finger right here. So we're going to take an individual look at each one of these up close. Before we do that, though, what we're going to do first and foremost is we're going to give you kind of an unboxing here. So we're going to show you how each of these comes. You open up the box, and here's how the box is going to look on the inside, not how it's going to come. So you're going to have your knife, and when you open it up, the first thing you're going to see is a sticker, and typically it's a sticker for that specific knife. Now, this is for the Cherry Bomb right here, and this one's really, really cool. Really digging that style right there. And we've got the special Cherry Bomb sticker right there. We've also got the Flippin' the Finch sticker. Really cool right there. And everybody loves stickers. They're fun. They're fun. And then we've got the Finch warranty information. Now, every knife you buy from Finch is guaranteed satisfactory or your money back. Feel confident and look sharp with a Finch always. So really nice that they come with that guarantee. And this is my favorite part. So each one of them comes with a Band-Aid in the box so that when you inadvertently, as always, cut yourself flipping your Finch, then you've got a Band-Aid to put on it right there. Now, these all have an incredible action. We're going to take a look at the knives up close and personal. Like I said, this one is going to be the Cherry Bomb. And really digging this smoke resin right here on the handle. And this is going to be a bolster lock. Stainless steel handles. Looks like a titanium pocket clip right there. 154 cm blade steel. So that's something you're going to see on... I would say all of the ones that we have here, 154 cm blade steel on all of the ones we have here. Now, each individual one might vary coming in, but all the ones that I've seen so far have been 154 cm, and that's a really great blade steel. I mean, I'll say that's one of my favorites all around. It's going to be a great, affordable blade steel. The Cherry Bomb here is coming in at 135. Then up next, we've got the Harvester, which is also coming in at 135. Let's take a look at that one. This one's coming in with the green canvas micarta handles. Again, 154 cm blade steel bolster lock with the stainless steel frame, titanium pocket clip. And the action on these things is awesome. And what I really love about this Harvester, and this is one of the ones that I actually own myself, is if you get your bird finger, your Finch finger, your Finch finger, right there in that nail nick, you can actually reverse flick this thing so pretty easily, and that's a really cool blade shape. I like that. It looks like a nice working blade shape right there. Also, we've got the Devil's Finger, and this one's a really cool color scheme right here. So this one's with the green canvas micarta, but it's also the black DLC coating on that blade there. And this thing is super comfortable, insanely lightweight. This one's going to be a liner lock, and the liners are going to be black as well. And that thing is absolutely fantastic. Now, this one's got the wire pocket clip. It is reversible on this one. And all black hardware. Beautiful, beautiful looking knife right there on that Devil's Finger. And then we've also got the Drifter. Now, this one's really cool. These are both coming in at $124, I believe it is. If it's different, I'll put a graphic up on the screen, but this Drifter is really looking cool, and I love the grind work on this Drifter clip point blade on that 154 cm blade. And this one's coming in with the blue canvas micarta. Of course, got the Resin Finch logo there. And this one's got the titanium pocket clip on it and the stainless steel liners. It is a liner lock as well. And the action on these things is awesome. And like I said, I love that grind work right there. Looking really, really cool. So these are some really cool offerings from Finch, and we are super excited to be carrying them now. So if you're ever looking for a Finch knife, if you're looking for any new Finch knife that's coming out, look here first, because we are going to have them as soon as they come out. So check them out, folks. All you got to do is click the link in the description below. And remember, folks, if it cuts like a Finch, then we carry it. Ooh. No comments from the peanut gatherer. God bless America. All it takes is a little tongue action. So